Bonjour, Nathalie here. Welcome to FrancoFoods. Today, I'm making an old-time traditional Quebec favorite, les fèves au lard. Often referred to as les bines, you know them as baked beans. Now, you don't have to, but soaking the beans, usually overnight, cuts the cooking time in about half. And, according to some experts, it helps reduce the potential tooting effect of the beans. So these have soaked overnight, and you can see that the beans that have soaked are nice and plump compared to the dry beans. Time to add all the ingredients. In researching the origins of fèves au lard, I found out that baked beans were a regular part of the diet for settlers and trappers, known as coureurs des bois. Not surprisingly, they were taught how to prepare the beans by the indigenous people, who slow-cooked the beans in earthenware pots over hot stones with maple syrup and animal fat. Now, over time, it became traditional to use molasses instead of maple syrup. Some say this was influenced by the Boston baked beans recipes from New England. Others, well, let's just say the opinion depends on which side of the border you're from. I'll leave that up to food historians to figure out. Okay, all the ingredients are mixed in. Now to cover and slow cook for 5 to 6 hours. About halfway, I'm gonna go double check just to make sure there's enough liquid because I don't want it to burn and stick to the bottom. While the beans are cooking, here's a bit of French vocabulary for you. Les fèves au lard, or les bines. La mélasse. Le déjeuner. Le dîner. Le souper. Et voilà, traditional fèves au lard. They're sweet and delicious, just like my mom used to make. Beans are great as a meal unto themselves or as a side dish for a hearty breakfast. Let me know in the comments if you make your own or if you try this recipe. Until next time, merci et à la prochaine!